You guys want to hear something fucked up?
Absolutely.
She doesn't own a dress.
Shut up. Let's hear this together, please. The song's called Meet Virginia by a man called Train.
Catch her stealing, she won't confess. She's beautiful. Smokes a pack a day. You can wait, that's me, but anyway.
Did you hear that? We're gonna start over.
Her hair is always a mess. If you catch her stealing, she won't confess. She's beautiful. Dress. Her hair is always a mess. If you catch her stealing, she won't confess. She's beautiful.
The song is called Meet Virginia. It's a man like, you gotta meet. I got someone you gotta meet. Her hair is always a mess. I'll tell you that. Right off the bat. Okay? And that sounds a little weird, right? Should you catch her stealing? She won't. I mean, she's not gonna. But you gotta meet her.
Smokes a pack a day. You can wait, that's me, but anyway.
Wait a minute.
She's beautiful. Smokes a pack a day. You can wait, that's me, but anyway.
We're 4 lines into the song. Her hair was always a mess, and she's a kleptomaniac. Okay, fine. What else? She smokes a pack a day. Wait, that's me. How uninteresting is this person? You immediately start talking about yourself? 3 lines into the conversation. What if I was like, you gotta meet my friend Tom. He's the best. He looks like shit. He'll steal your stuff. And I smoke cigarettes. What were we talking about? Whatever, Train. You big fucking idiot. Don't tell Train I said don't tell Train. I don't know if you've ever seen Train, but he's ripped.